Hotel and Suites. Good morning.
There is a new sheriff in town. So therefore, all indolent, lethargic, and apathetic idiosyncrasies must be terminated. Can you please tell me the rationalization, impetus, apologia, and rationale behind the conceptualization of erecting the Posada edifice?
Oh my God.
So you are a married woman?
What is the exculpatory exegesis? Abetting your adjudication to luxuriate your orangutan dorie in the kitchen.
Mama wa paraga, ejo, wo ye mi.
So if somebody speaks English to someone like me and I don't understand, that is not English. It is mumbo jumbo.
Will you just shut up? Idiot! Nonentity! Scallywag of Homo sapiens!
The bunch of you is unskilled, unversed, unlicensed, and an alphabetic serendipitous dum-dum.
Hey!
Bombastic element. Karika shop. Guara.